Listen up. Go and get your money, never ask a man for none. 'Cause if you ain't got a bankroll, you can give 'em right back to them stank pros. Just play it cool. If you try to sell your dreams, let me tell you what to do. Gotta cut 'em off quick. You ain't love on no man that's still at his mama's crib. I'ma put you all on game. The rules to this don't change. I'ma put you all on game. The rules to this don't change. You gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. I'ma show you all how to get it. You gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. I'ma show you all how to get it. Meet me at the bank. I need a real breadwinner for my bag up with Frank. A man like Drake. I want a certified level, put gas in my tank. Don't come with y'all think. Put it on for my girls going hard in the paint. I ain't come to play, so you better take notes, listen close to what I say. I'ma put you all on game. The rules to this don't change. I'ma put you all on game. The rules to this don't change. You gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. I'ma show you all how to get it. You gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. I'ma show you all how to get it. I'ma put you all on game. The rules to this don't change. I'ma put you all on game. The rules to this don't change. You gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. I'ma show you all how to get it. You gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. I'ma show you all how to get it.
Let's learn You Betta Get It. It's choreographed by Scott Blevins. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, easy intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn You Betta Get It. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to press our right foot to the right side. As we recover, you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 3 o'clock. We're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot to face 9 o'clock, and then step forward with your left. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side. And as we do that, we're going to do a counterclockwise hip roll. So we're going to step to the right. You're going to roll your hips around from left to right, and then you're going to slightly touch that left toe and bump your hip. We're now facing 6 o'clock. We're now going to do a clockwise hip roll. So we're going to bring around from right to left, and you're going to touch that right toe and slightly bump your hip. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're pressing to the right. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to step back with our right foot, and as we step back, you're going to lift your left knee up. We're now going to recover onto our left foot, and we're going to do 2 quarter paddle turns. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder as we step our right foot to the right side. And when you do this, you're going to slightly bend your knee and push your right hip down to the ground. We're now going to recover slightly back onto that left foot, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, pushing that hip down towards the ground. You're now facing 12 o'clock. We're now going to walk back left, right, and as we walk back, you're going to shimmy your hips back and forth, and if you would like to bring your hands up your body, you can. So we're stepping back left, right, left, right. So let's talk about those hips. If you are choosing to just do the walk back, the footwork itself is 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're doing the hips, you're adding those and counts because you're adding movement with your body. So we would step back, it would be 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And you're gonna make sure that your weight is on that right foot. But remember, the feet themselves are whole counts 5, 6, 7, 8. So when we're going through and we're doing it, I'm gonna say 5, 6, 7, 8, but no, you should be wiggling your hips as you do it. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just finished our hip roll, so weight is on our left foot. You're facing 6 o'clock. We're gonna step back with our right and lift our left knee up. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 3, we're going to point our left toe to the left side, quickly step our left next to our right and point our right toe to the right side. Quickly step our right next to our left and point your left toe to the left side. Quickly step your left next to your right and point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do ball point body roll. So we're going to quickly step our right foot next to our left and point our left toe to the left side. We're now going to roll our body, starting with our head and our shoulders. Roll it back, and you're going to put your weight down onto your left foot. We're going to repeat that, bringing our right foot in and next to our left and point your left toe to the left side. And then you're going to do your body roll, starting with your head and shoulders, and then putting your weight onto your left foot, remaining at 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our walk back with our shimmy, so weight is on our right. You're doing your points. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're now going to step forward with your left. You're going to do a half turn over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock, and then step forward with your left. We're now going to do a modified Monterey half turn. So we're going to point our right toe to the right side, slightly angling our body to the left. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, turning on the ball of your left foot and stepping your right next to your left. You're now facing 3 o'clock. We're going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and cross your left over your right. And then quickly step your right foot slightly to the right side. You want it to be at about shoulder distance from your left, so just slightly out so that you can then go into your press that will be further out. So make sure this touch isn't too far to the side so that that press can go further out. So you want to make sure that that toe is right underneath you. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our body roll. You're doing your quarter step half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and ready to go into the next wall. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your press. So it's press, quarter, half, step, quarter, hip roll, back with a knee lift, recover, quarter, paddle, walk back, left, right, point, step, point, step, point, step, point, step, point, body roll, ball point, body roll, quarter, step, half, step, Monterey half with your side rock cross touch, ready to go to the next wall. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're pressing that right foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the ending. You'll be doing a 3 o'clock wall. We're going to dance up to our walks back with our shimmies, and then we're going to make a quarter turn to 12 o'clock. So let's dance up to that part. Weight is on your left. You're pressing to the right. So it's press, quarter, half, step, quarter, hip roll. Now you're back with a knee lift, recover, quarter, paddle, walk back, left, right. Right here, you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 12 o'clock, and that is how you will end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your press, so it's press, quarter, half, step, quarter, hip roll, hip roll, back with a knee lift, recover, quarter, paddle, walk back, left, right, point, step, point, step, point, step, point, step, point, body roll, ball point, body roll, quarter, step, half Monterey with your side rock cross touch, start the dance over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and press. Quarter, half, step, quarter, hip roll, back with a knee lift, recover, quarter, paddle, walk back, left, right, point, step, point, step, point, step, point, step, point, body roll, ball point, body roll, quarter, step, Monterey half with your side rock cross touch press, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then you would keep going through until your final wall. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. Hope this helped you learn You Betta Get It. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.